Assalamu alaikum. I hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk numbers. Numbers from 20 to 100. If you're here, I am expecting that your child is already very strong with their numbers from 1 to 20 and you're wanting to start to get them to learn numbers from 21 to 100. So, I am going to share with you some fun activities that you can do with your kids to get them fluent with these numbers from 21 to 100 and also get over all the confusions that they have. Like very often they get confused in numbers like 25 to 52, like they would call 52 25 and 25 52, things like that. Like they would not be able to recognize the change of order. That's very normal and nothing to get worried about. They take time and it takes practice to get through those confusions. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button so that I know that these videos have been helpful for you. I would love to have feedback from you and I really enjoy reading your comments. So let's start. First off, you should have a 100 chart. When you're wanting your child to start to learn the numbers from 1 to 100, get a 100 chart. And to start, you will just randomly sit with them and have them count the numbers. Go over the numbers with them 1 till 20, they will easily do for you. And then you start with them. Have them say after you 21, 22, 23, 24. 25, and you go on and on until they want. If they want to stop, just stop. If they want to go on, just go till 100. There is nothing like pushing them to do it. Just have fun with them. So they will easily get the hang of numbers like 31 to 39. First, they will be like confused what comes after 39, and they will have a hard time saying 40. But if you practice this over and over with them, they will know that okay, after 39 it's 40, 49 it's 50. So that is one thing that gets in a problem. And then the order of numbers. So go over this with them, with the 100 chart with them a few times, and they will be able to roughly count their numbers from 21 to 100. And then the next activity that I do with them is, this is a really fun activity. My kids really enjoy doing this. Find the house number. How I do is I will just give them stickers, or if I want to reuse this page, I will have some counters. I have here bubble rocks. You can use any counters you have. If you don't have any counters, just use beans or anything from your pantry, and kids will just enjoy doing it. So you're going to call out the house number. Let's say, can you find the house number 32 for me? The child will go on looking for the house number 32. So if you are giving them stickers, they will put a sticker. And if you are giving them some counters, they will cover the house. There you go. The house numbers should not be in order. You should just write them randomly and have them do the activity. How I like doing is that take 15 houses at a time. This activity will just help them see the numbers and scrutinize the numbers while they're looking for them. So only 10 or 15 house numbers at a time, and do it for numbers from 21 to 100. Repeat it a few times and they will get a really good hang of numbers, like they will identify them, and because they are looking for them, so they will actually look through the order also. If they get confused, nothing to worry about, just correct them and they will be good to go. Once they are able to recognize the numbers from 21 to 100 and they know the order, like okay, 21 looks like this and 31 looks like this, all that, you will do missing numbers with them. This will be very easy for them because they have got the hang of numbers, and missing numbers is just a fun way to, kids love doing missing numbers. It's just a fun way to have them revisit the numbers that they have learned. So just eat up some numbers, give them some numbers, and play missing numbers with them. I have here from, like, I like to give 20 numbers at a time, 20 to 40, then 40 to 60, 60 to 80, and then 80 to 100. And then once they are done with that small chunk of numbers, give them a very huge missing number. So they will do 1 till 100. This is when you will know that they have actually mastered the numbers from 1 to 100, putting them in the right order, putting them in the correct form and all that. So this is a big test for them. That is when, if they are able to fill this, you know that they are now perfect with their numbers. If you want to reuse it, just put this sheet in a plastic pocket and give them a dry erasable marker and have them write the numbers. Or if you can make it again and again. So this you will need for like 2 to 3 times. They will have to do it before they get perfect with them. Another activity that I like to do, this is actually a game. 100 chart is like a game board for you if you're doing maths with your kids, and just have 100 chart all the time around you. You can practice addition, subtraction, all kinds of math operations, all kinds of games with just this 100 chart. Once they are getting the hang of numbers, they are getting fluent with their numbers, I like to remove all the confusions of like the number order that I was telling you, like 37, 73, all that stuff. This is the perfect activity to do with them to remove that confusion. So here I have chits, and these chits have numbers from 1 to 9. How I play is, the kid will pick 2 chits, any 2 chits randomly, and they will open the chits. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. 9 and okay, 9 and 7. So I am going to lay these chits in front of the kid and ask them, which numbers can you make with these 2 numbers? So you have to just leave them alone and do it on their own. They might say just 7, and they might just say 9. Okay, 9 and 7. They go through the chart and color the number 7 and number 9, or cover it as you like doing it. And then they can make more numbers with these 2 numbers. That is 79 and 97. So when you are starting this game, they might not give you this answer. You might have to tell them that, look, you can make these numbers also, 79 and 97. And then they will go in a chart and find those numbers. So that will really help them to see the order, how 79 looks and how 97 looks, and where they lie in the 100 chart. They are able to see the order of numbers also. So they will cover 79 and 97. I will highly recommend you to play this game over and over again, because it really helps to get over this confusion. So you repeat again, 2 chits again, open them and have the child make numbers, cover them, and you are just going to leave them independent. If they need help, just give them help for the first time, but not every time, so that their mind also gets worked up. So 2 and 1, they will say 1 and 2, and then 21 and 12. So they will have fun filling up their 100 chart, coloring it. I would tell you to have them color it, because that's more fun to do. And they will really get the hang of where to find a number in the 100 chart. Like, they need it. They should be really able to see the order of numbers. So this will also perfect their 100 chart, in the mind, that where to just go looking for the number when I have the chart in front of me. Before, after, in between, skip counting, everything comes with this chart. So this is a great activity to do with them if you want them to master the 100 chart also, like how it looks. So there you have all the activities. The massive missing number 100, missing number in chunks, house numbers, all the fun activities to have them master and get fluent with their numbers from 21 to 100. Practice this over and over with them. They will love doing it. I hope you try out these activities with your kids and make learning fun for them. Have them enjoy maths, have them enjoy learning. Just play with them and have lots and lots of fun and make memories. Because at the end of the day, it's not about learning, it's more about making memories and making them love learning. Thank you for watching. Inshallah, until next time. Allah Hafiz.